Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Cristalin Mendoza, 24 years old, unmarried. My husband's name is Oscar Cervales. We have two children, one boy and one girl. My father's name is James Mendoza and my mother's name is Elisa Mendoza. I have three brothers and one sister, and I am first in the family. I am Catholic and I live in Tansa, Cavite, Philippines. I am a vocational graduate. I took up associate in computer technology. My hobbies are cooking, cleaning, playing with the children. I work as a domestic helper in Philippines for 2 years. I serve 4 members of the family, 2 adults and 2 children. My main duties to my employers are taking care of young children, assisting them to their daily needs every day, prioritize their health and safety, and I know how to make them happy like playing with them, tutoring basic English and math, cook their favorite snacks, and give my full care and attention. I also do household works like cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing clothes, marketing, gardening. I want to work in Hong Kong because of high salary giving to domestic helper, and this way I can better help my family in Philippines. To all employers in Hong Kong, please choose me as your domestic helper because I am hardworking, trustworthy, and honest. And I promise I will do my duties and responsibilities and I will follow your rules and regulations. Thank you and God bless.